Hey guys, it's your girl Coco. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do dermaplaning at home. Keep watching. Alright, so I got this kit from MAXX, and this one is called the Finishing Touch Flawless Dermaplane Glow Kit. And this was $14.99. This kit comes with the dermaplaning tool. It also comes with the battery for the light in the tool, and it also comes with extra razor heads. So before I start, I'm just toning my face with some witch hazel. So I'm starting by working from the bottom up. There are lots of benefits to dermaplaning. It helps smooth your skin, exfoliate, and remove peach fuzz. This also helps make your makeup go on a lot more evenly and a lot more smoother. If you have sensitive skin or are prone to acne or breakouts, please consult your dermatologist before trying this. Once again, I'll be cleansing my face with witch hazel to remove any excess dead skin. Now I'm going to apply this collagen sheet mask. We did kind of stress our skin out, irritate it a little bit. So we're gonna put this on and let it absorb all of the collagen, and it will really penetrate now that all of that peach fuzz is gone. Now we wait 20 minutes. And you can see that that mask kind of restored our skin and removed all of that redness. Now I'm just massaging in that excess serum. Now our skin is radiant and a whole lot smoother. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.